Welcome back to another YouTube video from the Detailing Detectives. In this episode we're going to try out two products from HD Car Care, their Satin interior cleaner and their glass cleaner. The first product we're going to use is the Satin interior dressing. This product gives a satin appearance and anti-static finish. It repels dust and dirt, and it's got a pleasant fragrance. I believe it's pina colada. It does smell really nice. So yeah, let's give this a go. So I've just applied some of the satin interior dressing to this this cloth. What I'm going to do is just wipe over the steering wheel centre bit, because this says that it leaves a bit of a satin finish. So I'm just going to do the old steering wheel. It does smell really nice. Hopefully you can see where I've been. So that's just on there, so just a couple of squirts. What I'm going to do is flip the cloth. You can actually see some of the muck there. Look. I'm going to flip the cloth and give it a bit of a buff, just to see if that makes it into a satin finish, which it does. That's what we like to see. So what I'm going to do is just do the door. So I'm just going to put a squirt here and a squirt there, maybe a squirt there, one on the cloth. 4 squirts in total. Let's give it a bit of a buff round. I know I'm doing this with the door shut, but it's quite windy outside, so I want to try and keep the noise volume down. I will do the rest of the door, don't worry. This is just for the demo. So just flip the cloth and give it a bit of a buff. The van's not necessarily dirty. I just want to bit of spruce up. So this is what we're left with. It's left a natural satin finish. I can still smell the pina colada. It's definitely a bonus of this product. It definitely smells nice. It doesn't streak either. I've used some interior dressings before that streak. The stain there that you see, that's a stain that when we came on the van I've just not sorted that yet. The interior dressing is not going to fix that. But yeah, it's left a quite a nice finish, that. So on to the next bit of the test. We've got a bit of dust here. I know it's a dressing, not a cleaner, but a lot of people are just going to use this just to wipe over their interior of their vehicle. Pretty much like this, just a little bit of dust here and there. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to wipe over. I'm not going to spray any more onto the cloth. I'm just literally going to use what we've already sprayed on, because the cloth is pretty damp, and you really do not need a lot of this product. So I'm just going to give it a wipe. I'm not going too intricate because, like I say, it's just a wipe down, because at the end of the day this is a dressing, not a cleaner. Close these, give them a wipe. So we'll give that little bit there a good going over. So as you can see, that dust has gone. A bit of fleck there. but it leaves a finish that doesn't, like, some interior dressings leave a finish that when you rub your hands over they smudge and smear and your hands feel all sticky and slimy, whereas this, it doesn't. It leaves a really nice finish. Really nice finish. And as I mentioned earlier, the smell's really good too. Cool, so what we're going to do now is we're going to test out their glass cleaner, and then we're going to come back to you and give you a bit of product information, where you can buy it, how much it is, etc. So next up is the HD Cockhead glass cleaner. And what I'm going to use is this window as an example. Now, I don't know. Yep, so hopefully you can see this window. So it says directions for use. Spray it directly onto glass or cloth with trigger spray, ensuring thorough coverage. Wipe and spread with lint-free, high-quality glass cloth. So I've got a glass cloth here. It's one of the ones we use frequently. I tend to use water instead of glass cleaners, so this is going to be interesting. Now there are some water spots on the outside, so we're going to tackle those in a minute. But what I'm going to do first is just do the inside. So as it says, we need to turn that to spray, and we're going to put one at the top and one at the bottom. I don't normally use a lot of glass cleaner. It smells very nice. Now for the purpose of this test, I'm not going to drop the window. Normally I drop it and do the top. But I'm not going to do that for the process of this. So it looks like the interior of the glass was pretty clean because there's not a lot of dirt there. I'm going to pick you up and let me show you. So I'm not sure whether you can see, but there are some watermarks. Like here, look, these are on the outside. It's very hard to tell on glass, to be fair. But it doesn't smear, is what I can see. We're going to have a look in some direct sunlight though. There you go, look, you can see the water spot on the other side from where I caught it earlier on. So what I'm going to do is just go and clean the outside, and I'll come back and we'll have a look. So, let's have a look and see what it looks like. So, as you can see, those water spots have disappeared. I've also worked out what the smell is. It's more of a tutti frutti flavour. It reminds me of Envy Car Care's snow foam, which is one of the snow foams that we sell and we use every day. It definitely reminds me of that smell. But yeah, very, very good glass cleaner. No smears whatsoever. So, two very impressive products. The glass cleaner and the Satin interior dressing. Onto where you can get these from. You can get these from hdcarcare.co.uk. The glass cleaner is £6.50 and the interior dressing is £6, which is incredible value for money. You can just have a look on how much dressing I've used to do the entirety of this van. They do come really full. You can get some 500ml bottles that are like to there, but these really do give you the full amount. In actual fact, I dropped the top of the bottle and it cracked. It was my fault, not the suppliers, my fault. So I put a new cap on. As I put the new cap, it was actually level at the top. That's how much product is in them. As you can see, the glass cleaner is pretty much the same. So yes, highly recommend these two. I know Adam's tried out the snow foam. I'll link the video just up here so you can have a look at that. Go check them out. We've got a few more reviews coming on their other products. I know we've got their tyre dressing, although I think Chris has just changed it, the guy who runs HD Car Care. We've got their shampoo, which I've had a smell of, and that smells good as well. Detailing products to me, if they smell nice, yeah, it's good when you're using them every day. As some say, if it smells, it sells. But yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it with me doing the review instead of Adam for a change. Adam will be back next week with another review. Until then, enjoy, and we'll see you soon.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!